Whoa! Nice. Alright folks, everyone, welcome back to another video with Outdoor Adventures with Mr. Miller. Well, this wind is whipping today, on Friday the 13th. Friday, March 13th, windy day, high wind warning, winds up to 60 miles an hour or more. The wind gusts, wind gusts up to 60 miles an hour or more. We already got branches and stuff breaking. Big tree down right there. Neighbors. Pretty wild. Hope we don't lose power. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment. It's windy. Boy, I am windy. Well guys, we already got tree branches broken. Look at this one right here. Barely hanging on. You got one right down there, a big one right there. Still haven't lost power yet. It would suck to lose power on Friday the 13th. That would suck. Everything's pulling all over the place. All I gotta say is, woo! Alright, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment. Boy, the wind is whipping today, guys. We haven't lost power yet. Which I hope we don't. Friday the 13th. Back to back. Another coming in November. High wind. Winds up to 60 miles an hour or more. Look at the Newark yard. You can barely see out there. Wild. Oh, I got stuff in my eyes. Alright, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment. Well, folks, I was hoping that we didn't lose power, but we lost power. Well, my lights and TV's off and everything. No power. Real nice. On Friday the 13th, can you believe this? Wow. And I am very superstitious. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment. Well guys, got more trees down over the hill right here. That one's leaning over. Oh, crap! I just heard that. Sorry about cussing there, I just heard a tree fall. Wherever that was. Sorry for cussing there, but that scared the heck out of me. I mean, look at this. I know I like characters and enemies from Super Mario. It looks like a big giant colossal typhoon is blowing through this place. You know the typhoon enemies from Super Mario? This is what it feels like. It's like a big, giant typhoon going over the place. Blowing stuff over, knocking trees down. Crazy, dude. Alright guys, I'm gonna go check that out and see what fell. Alright, stay tuned for more. Stay safe, everyone. Like, subscribe, and comment. Alright guys, welcome back. Well, I have a pretty good reason for saying the word crap. Well, here's the tree that fell down. That made that noise. This is the one that fell down. Big tree. Hit trees and branches down all over the place. We lost power. And all this happened on Friday the 13th. Can you believe this? Crazy. The wind's still blowing. Alright, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment. Well, folks, this is pretty wild. Got trees down, branches down everywhere. We lost power, and this all happened on Friday the 13th. Can you believe this? Y'all know how superstitious I am. I mean, look at this. Pretty wild, huh? But yeah, sorry for saying the word crap there. I mean, that, when I was up there behind the garage, basically, right over the hill, right by the hill, by the Newark yard, heard a tree fall, and yeah, it scared the heck out of me, guys. But yeah, may not have power for a while, so we'll see. Maybe they restore it tonight. Maybe, I hate to wait till tomorrow, but hopefully they restore it soon. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll leave you guys towards the end of this video of this tree. Take a look at this, guys. See you next time. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and drop a comment below. And I hope you guys can help me reach my next goal of 400 subscribers by the end of this year, before the end of this year, which that is my next goal, getting to 400 subscribers. So if you guys can help me get there, I would really appreciate it. So if you guys are new to the channel and you guys have autism and you guys are autistic like me, and you guys are new to the channel and you like train videos, fishing videos, outdoor videos, meditation videos, food review videos, food mukbang videos, meditation videos, as well as prayer session live stream videos, which I will be doing on my YouTube channel soon, and other videos as well. Feel free to introduce yourselves, guys. Always feel free to introduce yourselves, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. And I hope each and every one of you guys has a wonderful and blessed day out there. And God bless you all. Keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And namaste in peace. And always remember that God is good all the time. He is always good. And He always has your back, no matter what. No matter how hard you're struggling, God is always there for you, no matter what. And you're never alone. God is always with you. And if you guys ever need prayer or anything, feel free to ask, guys. You guys are all welcome here. I welcome you all with open arms. But overall, guys, I appreciate you all watching my videos and supporting me on my YouTube channel. It really means a lot. And I hope each and every one of you guys has a wonderful and blessed day out there. And God bless you all. Keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And namaste in peace. God bless each and every one of you guys. You are awesome. You are all awesome. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all next time. Namaste in peace. Always remember that God is always there for you, and He's always good all the time. Stay strong, never give up, keep moving forward, and always stay positive. From the bottom of my heart, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching my videos. It really means a lot, and I appreciate each and every one of you. And God bless you all, and keep it outdoorsy and slay some fish. And I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day out there. And namaste in peace. Until next time, take care and adios. And God bless.